Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here with today's Micros Market Recap. It is July 26th. It is a Tuesday, just after the New York close here. Let's get right into it with today's Micros Market Recap. Let's scroll back for oil here. We opened well above the close from yesterday and had a huge move down. But look at the time frame. It was just a grind all the way down. They got to its close and they just kept going. So we did finish net down for the day in oil. They just blew right through that HVA edge and didn't really give any opportunities. Now gold, on the other hand, look at this over here. Gold opening inside of its range from yesterday, had initial selling, found support at that HVA edge, went back up, found resistance at that HVA edge, and just got stuffed. Support again, boom. It was just locked in between that area, and it just was decimated by these levels that were given out to our students the night before. Yes, you heard that right. The night before, our students got these levels so that they could put them onto their charts and have them ready for the overnight, pre-market, and during the pit session. No one else in this industry does that for you. Going on to our equities, it was a grind today, that's for sure. That's probably because we have a lot of news coming out this week for the FOMC. But we opened up, had a short move up, and then we found a ceiling, and they could not break out any higher, and they just came down and fought this area. Try it again, but really couldn't make any new highs, and they just melted down. Struggled to make new lows for a little while, and then it pretty much just kicked in with the selling, and it was just a grind all the way down. There were some good retracements, plenty of opportunities for potential shorts at these HVAs that, again, were given to our students the night before the next day's trading at Endeavor. And you can see they just made some new lows, and then this is just aftermarket stuff, them pulling out of the market, and whoever knows what they're doing. They're getting ready for tomorrow, I guess, with those news announcements coming. But we are net down in the ES from its prior day's close. Similar story in the Nasdaq here, opening up pretty much on its bottom from yesterday, and we just had some selling initially out the bat. Again, we came back up to it after blowing through that HVA edge, and it just got smacked with some resistance, and boom. And then it fought this sideways action for a good portion of the day before sellers kicked in. And you can see there's still plenty of response, both on the longs and shorts at these HVAs here, if you know the methodology. But ultimately, the shorts went out. And then again, look at this volatility. Oh my gosh. And this is micros. Boom. This is even more severe than it is in the minis. And the minis was still quite large movements in terms of bar size. That's a ton. Those are huge bars by any means. But ultimately, yes, we also did finish net down in the Nasdaq from yesterday's close. So we are net down in oil, net down in gold, net down. Well, are we net down in gold? Gold is pretty much an even exchange almost. It could be net down. But the equities are also net down. So down there, we got a bunch of news coming out tomorrow. Again, these levels, these HVAs, are high volume areas, as we call them, are given out to our students the night before the next day's trading endeavor, meaning that you can have them on your chart the night before, ready to go. If you're going to trade at night, you can, or early morning, that's the pre-market, or the pit session the next day. So they're ready the evening before the next day's trading endeavor, which is great. Gives students plenty of time to put them on their charts. They're not drawn on the fly. They're given the night before. If you're interested in finding out how you can get them under your charts, or if you're interested in seeing student submissions based off of the methodology taught in our classroom around these levels, go check out Pat's videos, same channel here. It's the win-loss break-even video. If you're interested in learning how to trade futures and get these levels onto your charts, reach out to us. You can find our page on Facebook or go to our website at targettradingacademy.com. Get in touch with the representative at either location. They'll be able to show you into the rooms and show you what we do on the daily, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world, and we look forward to seeing you there.